Saseni watu wangu, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Yes, and to my new subscribers, I want to say welcome because it is you. We are family and this is our channel. So welcome to our channel for free. Just be at home. You can leave any comment there. Feel at home, share anything in the comment section. Okay, as in you at home. This is our channel. Okay, and my returning subscribers, oh my god, I have no words for you people. I just want to say thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you for supporting, watching, commenting. Like everything is overwhelming. Really overwhelming. So I'm so grateful to you people for your support because without you guys, I am nothing. Without you, I am completely nothing. Yeah, I have no reason of making videos without you. So basically today, tunapika chips. Leo tunapika chips, fresh chips ama french fries. Zinaitwaje? Zinaitwaje my people? Zinaitwaje? Hebu mniambieni kwa comment section, let me know. But for me, yes, nitaziita chips. Hivyo ndio mimi nitaziita locally and that is it. Yes. So guys, hivi ndio mimi hupika. As you enjoy the video, this is how I prepare it. Yes, keep connecting to others through comment section. Aki tusapotiane and we should not give up. Mimi nawapenda sana. Keep watching. Yes, leo lazima tukule chips ama nini. Yes, ni lazima tukule. Na mimi nashukuru sana wale wenye mnanisupport, especially those who like, comment and also share. I'm really grateful to you people. I'm very very grateful. Na Mungu awabariki. Mungu awabariki tu sana. Continue coming. And for my new subscribers, nataka kuambia kwa hii channel yangu huwa nafanya upishi but I can do everything. I share my lifestyle and also basically I think cooking and lifestyle. So maybe the channel can be boring for now, but please give me bear with me because niko huku Uarabuni, so sina ile freedom ya kuongea vile, naelewa. Those who understand can understand, but basically I'm grateful for those who are supporting, liking, commenting. I am grateful. Mungu awabariki. Muendelee kuwatch. Yes, to meet comment section. Bye.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit you spot.